Get acquainted with the 2019 Nissan Armada. With less than 40,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an overachiever with a commanding presence, the Nissan Armada. This full-size three-row SUV is a polite powerhouse, offering an upscale interior, smooth, quiet ride, and brawny towing capacity. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, satellite radio, power passenger seat, premium sound system, adaptive cruise control, wood grain interior trim, aluminum wheels. Make every adventure all it can be in this luxurious and powerful Armada. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.